So a lot of you guys may not know this, but the reason she is called Chip Girl is because she literally has a chip in her actual hand. And now she is going to show us the actual, so this is a kit where you can put the chip into your hand, right?
Do not do this by yourself. A trained professional put it in. I'm just showing you for educational purposes.
Yes, that is.
Okay, so this is a dangerous things box. The chip comes in. This is the needle, huge, that goes into your hand.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to show you what it looks like when you insert the chip into your hand. So, this is crazy. That's the size of
That's it.
the RFID chip.
Oh my fucking god.
And that's what's in your.
That's what's in my
That's
hand.
what's in your hand.
And that's what's opened our doors.
I'm fucking screaming. Oh my god, that is so cool. Wait, let me get a look at how small that is. Oh shit. That's some next level shit, bitch. Oh my fucking gosh.
I implanted an RFID chip into my hand. User discretion advised, but here are the details. I purchased the RFID implant from dangerousthings.com. This is a dual chip RFID NFT implant kit. It comes pre-sterilized with all of the implant tools and instructions that you need to do it yourself at home. All it took was a little bit of convincing and a couple of beers, and my buddy was ready to perform surgery. At the end of the day, surgery was a success. Call me crazy, but the possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to see what future projects I work on with this thing.